Aray ko. Ang tiyan ko. Diyos ko, tong tiyan ko. Kumakain naman ako ng ano eh. Ano ba to? ID Alex. Ano ba? Talaga, iinom ako ng water kasi ano eh. Nagugutom ako guys. Malayo yung bahay. 5 o'clock pa ako uuwi. No, David. I won't do that. That's 3,000. That's nice. I can't do that, David, kasi it's unfair to everyone naman. Solo live is solo live. If I do multiple live, that's when you can come up. Right? That's you guys, some of you, that I don't have to choose. You choose to come up, not me. That's how we do it here. Para ano? Para fair. Diba po? I'm sorry, David, but I wanted to be fair. And if basta na ako. If I want to solo live, that's a solo live po. But then if I do multiple live, that's when you will go up. Not me choosing you, but you choosing to get up. Right po? And so, Diyos ko po manahimik ka. So, I have to explain this because I don't want you to get offended or disappointed or something, okay? So it's but you can hit me up on inbox. I can message you as well. And I mean, all of you guys, it's okay. I mean, you can share my live because every once a week we will do multiple live po. Like you can come up, you can talk to me via So that's like once a week we will do that. Hindi yung one guest kasi it's for me it's unfair. So kasi may iba naman na gusto and I didn't accept it, and then all of a sudden somebody I did accept. So I would say it's not fair. But on my inbox it's okay. Just don't send me You know what I mean? That's what we discussed this afternoon. No, yesterday afternoon pala yun. So, ano ba to? David Jan naman, oy. You have to, hear me out why I don't want to accept that po. Right? So, I'm sorry. But I don't, I know that's only 5 minutes.